Hey, welcome to my game room again. Just a really quick announcement here. I hope you've received our recent newsletter. We called it NewVember at NewVenture, and there were a few announcements there, but I want to share them with you here in video format as well. First of all, a huge thank you to all our backers for the most recent Kickstarter campaign, just closed last weekend. And we're getting right into the shop and getting these things produced so that we can start delivering them in just a few weeks. All 7 of these great Alexander Randolph games really deserve to be republished. There's some great little strategy games there, and the collection has something for everybody. Secondly, we've got our new machinery in place and up and running. We are now able to do a lot more die cutting as far as packaging and printed matter. We can produce cards and game pieces and such that we had to outsource before. Obviously, this helps us with our efficiency of production and ultimately with the cost of production, so that we can be closer to taking the raw materials directly to your game table. And thirdly, after these new Kickstarter rewards are shipped, we're going to kind of cruise into the holidays and catch up with a bunch of other things. But first of the year, we're going to be hitting the ground running. The most exciting new game in the catalog is going to be Megiddo, a strategy game from the 1980s, won all kinds of awards, and sold many, many copies back in the day. We have the license to republish that next year. We're also going to be republishing a couple of other strategy games and coming out with some new ones as well. Meanwhile, I'll still be cranking out the videos and talking about more historical games and how to play and the history of the games, genealogy, if you will. And again, like always, if you have any suggestions or any games that you'd like me to spotlight, please let me know and I'll do some research and see if I can't pull something together for you. So as always, thanks for watching, and be sure to play every day.